What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this tutorial. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And right now, I'm just moisturizing my hair with some conditioner, a little styling oil, and yeah, it's freshly washed, so it's a little damp. You do want your starter locks damp for this hairstyle. And we're just gonna go ahead and get all that moisturized. So here you just see me taking some edge control just because I don't like any hard or heavy products on my dreads because I do not wash them often, only wash every 2 weeks to every month. So I do like to go with lighter products when I'm doing styles like this. So I'm just using a little bit of edge control. And yes, I am using a baby brush to slick down those edges, just because it's soft and I don't know, my daughter hit all the brushes, so I'm using a baby brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and slick all my edges into the ponytail like so, and get all that starting to go towards the top of my head to position that ponytail. And this is a quick and simple hairstyle, just a top ponytail on your starter locks. If you have longer ones, you can do this as well. If you have shorter ones, you can do this, just use a few more bobby pins. But yeah, then just go ahead and throw your scarf on and lay those edges down, baby. Don't make sure you moisturize your starter locks before you do your ponytail. And then put my hair in that ponytail and fluff. Gonna go ahead and apply my bobby pins. If you would like to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment box below. I am currently now 6 months dreaded. I guess that's how you say that. So yeah. See you guys in my next video.